The school district has publicized the meeting, and now it's the night of the meeting, and people are starting to file in. What's a meeting going to look like? The meeting, which normally lasts about 3 hours, about 1 hour in a large group and 2 hours where the large group is broken down into smaller focus groups, where the district can hear from the stakeholders. That pretty much is how the evening is divided. The focus group facilitators are trained before the large group meeting. In the previous slide, we talked about the district recruiting. We usually like parents or community members recruiting small focus group facilitators that will assist with that. We try to avoid, if we can, staff members. So the large group meeting begins, and it begins with a welcome by GSBA and then a GSBA presentation, about 10-15 minutes of the process from the time the board approved the process to how it will end when the board approves a plan. That is then followed by the superintendent giving a state of the school district address, giving data about the school, how many students, how many staff, for example, how many school buildings, some of the data on students, what is the ethnic breakdown, the socioeconomic status, the breakdown on that, free and reduced lunch, and so forth. And then the final piece of the large group meeting, which again should last no more than an hour, is give them direction and an overview of what's going to happen in the focus group activities. The large group is broken down into small focus groups. They're sent to small rooms, usually 10 to 15 participants. And again, we want the facilitator to be an outside person. And those 2 hours are spent with some open-ended questions that are thrown out to the group by the facilitator, and then the facilitator listens and records the responses from the community members. Really, this is the core of this community engagement session, and that is the district getting feedback from various community members.